Hey everybody, my name is CactusRocketShip and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a gaming YouTube thumbnail. I'll be sharing my resources that I use to make a good quality YouTube thumbnail. If you find this video useful, please consider liking and subscribing. Let's jump right in. So the first tool I want to bring up to edit my thumbnails is called Visme. It's a free tool that I use to basically work on a project. So definitely keep that open, make an account. It's free to make an account, by the way. You can even link your Google account. Next, you're gonna wanna use is Luna Pick. Keep this open in the background because we will end up using it. The last tool that I use is called Text Studio. I will put a link below in the description so you guys can go check it out. Once again, a free resource to make text for your thumbnails. So when you're making a YouTube gaming thumbnail, first off, you want to know what game you're going to be playing. I'm going to go off of a game I played in the past and show you how to make a thumbnail. I'm just basically going to recreate one from one of my videos. So here I played Surviving 5 Nights at Shrek's Hotel. This was the thumbnail that I used. I love it personally. That's just me. I love it. I love it. Shrek's face, hotel background, my face looking all confused. And I'm going to show you guys how to make it like a PNG because we're going to be using that today for the thumbnails. Now for this one, I don't have any type of text in front of it, but I will get to that later, how you can include that. For example, the text feature that I'm using, you can see I used it in this video right here. But once again, we'll get to that later on. For now, let's focus on recreating a thumbnail. Example, Surviving 5 Nights at Shrek's Hotel. So what I like to do first is go to Google and find like a scary hotel background. Find like a cool background that you can use, to show off like a hotel. I typed in, hotel scary because playing a scary game, hotel. Look, here's something like this. I don't know if this is really like a hotel. It looks more like a house. Something ooky spooky like that. Now, if you don't find one on Google, you can also go to Visme again. And if you go to create new project right here, create new project, more, you want to type in YouTube thumbnails, create from blank. Okay, so we have a new project. If you go over to photos and you can also type in a photo, let's see, like hotel, it will bring up some hotel images that you can use. In this case, I found this right here. If you don't like what you can find on here, just go back to Google, find one. If you did want to use one off of Google, for instance, there's this picture, let's just say like, okay, it's a hotel, whatever. Save image as and save it. Once you have it saved, if we were to use that picture, you would go to upload from my PC, go to downloads, and there is the picture. It's going to be right here for you to use. And just like that, there is your background. Of course, you can always adjust it how you want to. So this is one thing I should have said before. On the picture itself, what you want to do, you want to detach it from the background, because if you keep it as a background, it's going to be like that, and it's going to be kind of hard to like adjust. So right click it, detach from background. Just do that. Trust me, it makes things a lot simpler. You can even crop it too if you like. Just like that. You can crop it down, crop this, crop that. Now, if it doesn't fit to your thumbnail, if you hold down, let's see, it's always a little tricky. The shift button and go ahead and move it. No. The control button, go ahead and try that out. There you go. You can stretch it. Make sure it fits the screen. There you go. And boom. Now, if you right click it and lock, it will stay locked for your background. Okay, next, let's go ahead and get a picture of Shrek. Shrek PNG. You want to find a PNG. Trust me, it's going to save you time. Find a good picture of Shrek just like this one. Right click it, save image as. Make sure it's a PNG file and save. If for some reason you can't find a PNG file, here's what you'll do. You basically right click the picture, copy image address. Okay, check this out. Go over to Luna Pick, put in the picture right there, the URL, and go. And this resource here is cool because you just tap edit, transparent background like that. You tap the background and boom, it'll make it into a PNG for you. Tap apply and save. So we're actually going to use that one that I made right now from my PC. There it is. There's Shrek. That's the one that we made. Once again, if you choose not to create a PNG like I just showed you, you don't have to. You can always just look one up online. Shrek PNG again. Here it is. Right click it. Save image as, make sure it's a PNG and save. Sometimes these are the better quality ones. I always recommend trying to do that first before you have to use Lunar Pick, because look, you can tell the difference. See this one here, the backgrounds don't look clean compared to the one that we found. See, so it's really your choice, whatever you can do. Overall, it's kind of straightforward. So there we go, we have Shrek right there. Now, if you feel like the background is not in the right place, you can always tap it, unlock object, and you can move it around a bit if you want to. I might stretch it out a little bit, so tap control and widen. Shrek, you're gonna stay there, so I'm gonna lock you down. Now, if you want to include a picture of yourself, of your face into the thumbnail, you're gonna want to take a picture of your face, obviously. So I like to use my phone, take a selfie, and upload it. I'm gonna smile for the thumbnail. Cheese! I couldn't be serious. Oh my gosh, I couldn't. So depending on if you have an iPhone with the newest update, it's kind of cool because on the phone itself, if you take in a picture, you can kind of like turn that into a PNG immediately by just tapping it down. That's what I like. And just send it to yourself through email so you can get it onto your PC. Now that's one way to do it. Now, if you don't have an iPhone, I'll show you another way to make it a PNG. Okay, so I got my selfies. I'm gonna show you guys. So this is the iPhone method way. There I am smiling. And if you do not have an iPhone or that feature to make it a PNG immediately, I will show you another way to get yourself only onto your thumbnail. But first, if you do have an iPhone, it's easy because it kind of does it for you already. All you got to do is just crop it to how you want and throw yourself right into the picture. Just like that. Now, if you don't have an iPhone with that feature, I will show you how to turn yourself into a PNG. Go to upload, choose file, choose your picture with the background. Go to auto background removal. It's a really cool feature they have on the site. And just like that, let it do its work, and boom, you are now turned into a PNG. Save. Let it save to your computer, upload from my PC, and there it is. That is how you remove the background through Lunar Pick. Once again, amazing feature. So I like the way this came out. Let's see, I'm gonna go ahead and just put that there. Drop it like that. Bada bing, bada boom. There I am smiling. I do like that picture. And then there's just Shrek. Okay, so the cool thing about using Visme is that you can always adjust the color settings. So there I am right there. Tap on edit. I like this feature a lot. Customize. I can adjust the contrast. Go ahead and turn this up a little bit. Tap on effects, drop shadow. This is an awesome feature. Give yourself a background color. I'm gonna go with the yellow, okay? And change the blur, put it to 50. And you can even move where you want that blur to be, just like that. I might do it for Shrek also. So you tap on Shrek, tap edit, you can go to customize, turn the contrast up a little bit, go to effects, drop shadow, give him a red background, and turn up this number. There we go. Okay, this is looking really good. I like the way this looks a lot. Now for the last feature I want to bring up to y'all is the Online Text Studio. It's a free source that I like to use. Let's go ahead and jump right into this. I don't know why these ads are showing. Okay, all you gotta do is type in what you want for the thumbnail. So in this case, it's 5 nights at Shrek's hotel. I'm just gonna put 5 nights at Shrek's hotel. Just like that. You got to play around with this source because there's a lot to it. So right now, this is the font we have. You can tap here. You have so many free options that you can use. In this case, if we type in horror, there it is. You'll have different types of fonts. We'll go with the Bloody Midnight one. Head on over to style. You have your filling, your color. We'll go ahead and make that a kind of like a green color for Shrek. That looks really good. I like that. Go to your outlines, outline 1. Just like that, you have an outline that you can adjust. That looks really solid. Outline 2, you can make another one. I'm gonna put that red color, just like that. Boom. Okay, that looks really good. I want to keep that. Now for the background, automatically they're going to give you a background. Just uncheck that. You want to get a transparent background for the PNG. Download, PNG, download. Once you have that, go on over to Visme again, your project, upload, from my PC, and there is your text. And adjust it how you want. Put it at the very top. If you don't like that where it's at, let's see, you can always move it around a bit, change the size. I might move Shrek down just a little bit. There you go, do it like that. There you go, just like that, you guys have a thumbnail. Now, of course, depending on the game you play, I definitely would recommend following this process. You know, it's easy, it's simple to do, very fun and creative. It's something that I always do for my thumbnails. What I like to do is just take a screenshot of this, crop it, and send it over to YouTube. To download on the website, I think there is a cost to it. Again, this is just what I do. Once I have it, I basically just crop it down to the YouTube size for a thumbnail. And just like that, when you crop it correctly for YouTube, you can go to save, and there you go. You have created a YouTube thumbnail. In this case, since I already have my video of Five Nights at Shrek's Hotel, what I might do is just change this thumbnail to a new one. Options, change, there it is. And look at that, Five Nights at Shrek's Hotel. I like that one. I might even save it. Honestly, I might do that. But this is such a good thumbnail too. Oh yeah, there you go. I wanted to save this one. This one's funny. Now, there are many resources out there that you can use to edit a YouTube thumbnail for your YouTube videos. If you guys know a good resource to use, definitely comment down below. But if you found this video very useful, please consider liking and subscribing. Until next time, take care, everyone.